Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This house is best of both worlds. Located just a few miles away from the tourist haven of St. Anne and located in the Jamaica Beach Tower Isles area. This newly constructed 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is decorated in sheer modern elegance, inviting the homeowner to bask in the immaculate ambience of a never-ending sanctuary. Suited with a private pool that caters to a refreshing experience, this lovely home awaits and encompasses the making of newfound memories, featuring spacious bedrooms en suite with walk-in closets, built-in kitchen, stairway, ceramic tiles, beachfront setting, and land area of approximately 4,200 square feet. The asking price of this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115 million. To purchase or negotiate an offer, please visit the description link below. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.